true friendship always finds a way to bridge any gap. Sharing what we have makes the journey lighter, supporting each other to reach new heights, always looking out for one another. When the world feels like it's flooding, true heroes pull you through. Kindness knows no size or difference. Even the unlikeliest pairs can share the warmest bond, lifting each other up when we need it most. A little comfort goes a long way.
Because nobody is ever meant to walk alone.